he saved 1/3 of his lucky raw money. So I draw one bar here. Over here is save. Okay. But then you know that he gave 1/3 of his remaining to his wife. Remaining is this portion. What I say, whenever you see any remaining, and then you draw down. Don't assume that there's remaining, because over here it clearly says that of the remaining. So I know that it's the remaining. Sometimes it didn't say, it says of the money, then you don't go and assume that it's remaining. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the remaining is here. To his wife, 1/3. Here is also 1/3, right? Here is save. And here is wife. Cool, right? And then he gave the rest to his son and daughters in the ratio of Johan having Kimberly and Linda. So the ratio is 7, 5, 3. Okay, but then it says that Kimberly decided to give $240 to Linda. Kimberly give $240 to Linda. So they will then have equal amount of money. So after Kimberly give, right, the ratio will become 7, 4, 4. How do I find it's 4, 4? Because 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So then they will have equal amount. I can very clearly see that when 5 dropped to 4, right, how many units she gave away? She gave away in total of 1 unit. So I know here 1 unit will be equals to $240. Okay? So it's asking you how much money the 3 of them receive altogether. 3 of them receive altogether is this unit. Total unit receive, receive equals 7 add 4 will give me 15 units. Okay? Units. And then this 15 units, I already know 1 unit equals to $240. And then this 15 units will be equals to 240 times 15 will give me $3,600. So over here is actually $3,600. Okay. So how much was Mr. Tan lucky raw money? Here is part A and here is part B. Okay, if over here is 3,600, I can see that 2 unit is equals to 3,600. Correct now? But then the whole thing here, the remaining here is actually 3 units. So 3 units will be equals to times then divide. Okay, so 3 times 3,600 divided by 2, and then it will actually give me 5,400. But then this is not. Give me a minute. Okay, sorry for the interruption. It's really very distracting. Okay, and then I know that over here is actually $5,400. Okay, $5,400. If this whole 2 unit again, 2 unit equals to $5,400, and then 3 unit will be, because total is how much, right? Times, here will be divide. So it's 3 times 5,400 divided by 2 will actually give me an answer of $8,100. This is how we work backwards. Okay? Okay, for this question is actually a very tricky one. You didn't actually catch it. It says the smallest cube. When we are talking about cube, right, we know that it has to be what? If this is 2, this has to be 2. And because it's a cube, over here also has to be 2. Correct? Everything must be 2. This forms a cube. Okay? Bear in mind, because it's just like a square, all the square all add out together. Okay, for this, you can only see this area here. Okay, I can clearly see, right, over here is 3. If one is small cube, here must be 3. Correct? So I have this part here already. Here is 3. Here is 3. Here is also 3. Which means if I want to form a cube, over here has to be 3, and here over 3, and here has to be 3 before I can form a cube. Okay, let me draw nicely. Just give me a pause it first. This is okay. This is how the cube will look like. Because from here, the crew, I already know that one side should be 3. So over here should be 3 also. Can you see that over here is only 2? So I need one more layer over here. Over here, I need one more layer. And this one more layer will actually cost me how much? Okay. Okay, let's put it in a way. If I were to make this smallest cube, I will have 3 times 3 times 3 will be 27 cube, right? Okay, but then over here I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I only have 14. I will need 27 minus 14. I will need 13 cube more. Okay, or alternatively, you can actually do it in this way. You calculate here and here to make this 2 layer, the last layer here, which is this whole layer here, because here is 2 layer already. Okay. Here's the 2 layer. The last layer there, I'll need 9 cubes for the last layer. And then this layer I'm lacking of 4 cubes. So you also come to 13. Okay?